Julie. Thanks for joining me today. I am going to be doing a list with me project today here in my Studio Calico Traveler's Notebook system. So this is the January Traveler's Notebook kit from Studio Calico. And they have several different kits, a documenter's kit, a stamp kit. This is the Traveler's Notebook. I really want to get back into some kind of memory keeping, and I thought the Traveler's Notebook size would be less intimidating. I've gotten away from it, and I really want to do just some easy memory keeping. In the kit comes one of these Traveler's Notebook, and I'll show you the other products that come with it too. But what I like about these is it's already decorated with backgrounds, so you can, it just makes it so easy. And you have lots of pages, so I have already started doing some, and it's just very easy to accomplish. I'm not going elaborate. I'm trying to use what's in the kit. I'm just printing out my pictures, some of them regular size on photo paper, some of them I am printing just on paper and sizing them down small. So you could just see how simple I've been keeping it, but that helps me to keep going with it. So that's what I wanted to do. Today I want to do a list with me page. This is the favorite, and so I wanted to make a list of favorites. But let me show you what's in the kit. You get a washi tape and then various elements. So this time we got some acrylic letters, like you can see here. I use them here to spell that out. You get a set of stars. I'm not sure, oh, here they are. So you can see I've used them here. I'll use one of those today. You do get some labels here, and you see I've used it down here, and it comes with a couple different sizes. You also get these stickers, these clear like cellophane stickers, and let me show you where I've used one of those. Right here. So here they are. I actually put them on some white cardstock so you could see it better, but not every time. Like this one I just put straight on the page. So those are fun and easy to use. You also get a stamp set, and this particular kit is called One for the Books, and so it has several stamp sets that are just great for documenting, like this Enjoy stamp, this I Love This, this one, This Moment Is Everything. Some of them I haven't used yet. And then I also purchased an add-on stamp, which is, I don't know what it's called, but it's got the 2021 and then all the months and some other words that you can use, like, let me show you where I use that. Here, it's finally 2021. So you put the words in there. You can also put the month in there like I did here, January 2021. So those are the things that are in the kit, and it comes in this nice package. So I'm going to be doing a list with me page, and I may use some of these things, but I am going to use the washi tape. But for this list page of my favorites, I've just picked out some favorite things that I want to document, and I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to stamp the categories in a variety of different stamp sets that I've pulled, a bunch of different ones. Most of these are from Sweet'n Sassy Stamps. And a few elements I have gathered, either some stickers or some die cuts that I'm going to use, and also I'll have some stamping in here. So let me put you on fast forward and we'll get going. Okay, so I'm pulling out a lot of different alphabet sets and different sets to stamp the little icons. I'll make sure to list them all in the description box, so that you can know what I'm using. The different favorites that I decided I wanted to document are my favorite color, my favorite food, flower, drink, season, holiday, and hobby.
So I'm using a different alphabet set for each category. And then I'm going to handwrite the answer in, and I found some different icons and images to represent those. Now the only one that I'm not handwriting is this one, where it's my favorite color, because there's a really cute stamp that says tickled pink, and I wanted to use the pink part of it, so I stamped that in pink. You saw me mask it off with some washi tape. So I just put the washi tape over that part of the image in the stamp, and then inked it up and then pulled that washi tape off so I could isolate the word pink from it. Okay, so for the word food, because my favorite food is chili, I'm going to use a snowflake. So I stamped that in tumbled glass in a Distress Oxide ink. And now for flower, I have already stamped this little pink rose. Now my greatest challenge here is spacing, is making sure that I have enough room for the images and for my lettering with the different alphabet sets, and of course my handwriting. Okay, so now I'm on to my favorite drink, and that is hazelnut coffee. And I found a little cup. This is actually from a printable set from Sweet'n Sassy Stamps, but they also have the stamped images. Now, this is my favorite one. Favorite season. I decided to stamp a pink flamingo because my favorite season are our winters here in Florida. I don't really like winters anywhere else. I've lived in Pennsylvania and in Michigan winters, and those are brutal. I love the Florida winters. I'm a southern girl. I grew up in Georgia, so I like the southern winters. My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving, so I've stamped a pumpkin. And now my favorite hobby is paper crafting, all kinds of paper crafts. So I have a little printable that I cut out. It's a little bottle of acrylic paint, and it looks just like the Target acrylic paints. It's so precious. Now this particular stamp set is one of my new favorites. It's called Lollipop Alpha, and I love it because you can color in the image. Now you saw on the back there that there's no bleed through on the stamping. Usually this ink is a pigment ink, but it usually does bleed through. Like my Bible pages it does, but it does not here on these nice thick pages of this Traveler's Notebook insert. I'm going to outline some of these elements, and now I'm going to come in and give a little bit of black splatter paint. And that was really because I had gotten some random black streaks up at the top where I stamped color. I'm going to dry that. Now I'm going to add a couple of elements over to the left. I'm going to use that washi tape, and then because that washi tape has stars in it, and this is kind of my all-star page, I'm going to add a few of the stars. So I'm just adhering this to the top and the bottom, and I'm using my craft knife, it's kind of like an X-Acto knife, to trim there in the gutter. You could certainly use the blade of your scissors too. Okay, so I've pulled out 3 stars. I'm using the rule of 3, and I'm putting them kind of in a triangle, and that leads your eye across this spread, across this layout. Sticking those down with my tape runner. And you saw me stamp the date. This is also a Studio Calico Mega Date Stamper. So I stamped that in because these are my favorites as of this day. So there you have it, a very simple process, but it's fun memory keeping. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section and I'll be sure to answer those. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I'd love to have you as part of our community. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.